The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is almost here, and it's shaping up to be the most advanced rugged smartwatch Apple has ever made. While the design might look familiar, under the hood, big changes are coming. Let's dive into the 6 biggest features expected in the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3. Hypertension detection. Leading the charge is hypertension detection. Apple's finally bringing blood pressure monitoring to the Ultra lineup. While it won't give you exact numbers, it'll track trends and send an alert if it detects signs of high blood pressure. Hypertension is known as a silent killer. Detecting it early could literally save lives. Apple's already laid the groundwork with features like ECG and blood oxygen monitoring. Now, this is the next big step in health tracking. Brighter display with faster refresh rate. The Ultra 3 is also expected to catch up, and possibly surpass, the Series 10 in display tech. That means a faster LTPO3 OLED screen with a smoother always-on display, complete with a live ticking seconds hand. On top of that, we're looking at a wide-angle OLED that's 40% brighter when viewed at an angle. Whether you're outdoors in bright sunlight or deep underwater, visibility will be noticeably better. New chip, possibly the S11. 2 years without a chip refresh. Not anymore. The Ultra 3 is expected to ditch the S9 for something new, maybe the S10, or even a more powerful S11. A smaller, more efficient chip means more room inside the watch. That could mean longer battery life or new components that take the Ultra even further. Satellite connectivity. Satellite connectivity is coming, and not just for emergencies. Apple's expanding this feature to send messages even when you're far from Wi-Fi or cell towers. This is huge for adventurers, hikers, and anyone exploring off-grid. With satellite text messaging, the Ultra 3 becomes an even more reliable safety tool. And like iPhones, you'll probably get 2 years of free satellite service right out of the box. 5G connectivity. Next up, 5G. Apple is reportedly swapping out Qualcomm modems in favor of MediaTek's 5G RedCap technology, designed specifically for wearables. That means faster and more efficient connectivity for streaming, messaging, and syncing, without draining your battery like traditional 5G. Redesigned back with faster charging. Last but not least, the Ultra 3 is expected to feature a redesigned metal back, just like the Series 10. This upgrade brings better cellular performance and much faster charging. The new design helped the Series 10 charge to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's 15 minutes faster than the Ultra 2. So if you're in a rush, you'll appreciate the time saved. So there you have it, 6 exciting features coming to the Apple Watch Ultra 3. From health innovations to rugged performance upgrades, this could be the biggest leap for Apple's toughest watch yet. Don't forget to like and hit that bell so you don't miss our full breakdown when the Ultra 3 officially drops. Thanks for watching.
Until next time, techies, stay curious, stay informed, subscribe my channel. Bye for now.